Hi and hello and welcome to my world of food, or welcome back to my world of food if you've been before. Tonight we're going to do monkfish, sometimes known as the poor man's lobster. I'm going to show you a recipe, how to do it. I hope you enjoy. Thank you. Now, so the ingredients you need are monkfish fillets, parsley, garlic, lemon thyme, olive oil and some butter. And then we take the monkfish and we cut it into fairly large cubes. Now, once we put that on a plate, we now put a bit of salt and pepper on the monkfish. And then just a little bit of olive oil. Then we'll take it to the frying pan. So now we add the olive oil to the frying pan and we let that heat up, and then add the parsley, the garlic and the salt. Now we just let this cook for about a minute to get the flavour into the oil. And then we will add the monkfish. And you let the monkfish start cooking. And then when it starts cooking, we will add the butter. And we will come back in a few minutes when that starts to be near cooked. Now, after about 4 minutes, the fish is all nicely cooked. I'll just finish it off now. Get it all nice. And let it soak up the butter, the garlic, the parsley and thyme. And it's feeling just right. You don't overcook it, just as you wouldn't want to overcook a lobster. And there we have it, all nicely ready to go. And finally, when the monkfish is cooked, you serve them using roast potatoes, which is given to me by a very good friend of mine called Daniel Priest, who's a top chef in his own rights, and they should go absolutely ideal with the monkfish. I hope you enjoyed it, and please like and subscribe for more content. Thank you very much.